Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how to apply welcome deal on AliExpress. Open AliExpress on your device, and here on the home page you should see big banner that says welcome deal or new user zone, but now you see that I have summer sale. So the best and the easiest way to find that welcome deal is, you see it right here, welcome deal, and here you can view all the products that are eligible for the welcome deal. So browse through this list and choose the item that you want to order. Tap on it to open the details of that item. And also I wanted to mention that these welcome deals are limited to only one item per one new user, so pick your welcome deal item carefully. So if everything here looks good, tap buy now button at the bottom, you see here, and then proceed to checkout page. And here price is already adjusted to this welcome deal. And here fill in all the information about your delivery address, your payment method, and check whether everything is fine. And in the very end, if you're ready to order, you should press this place order button. So that's basically it, how we can apply welcome deal on AliExpress. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.